If you were even asking yourself the question, should I be worried about explosive atmospheres, ATEX, then the answer is most probably yes. The Dangerous Substances and Explosive Atmospheres Regulations, DSEAR, require employers to control the risks to safety from fire, explosions, and substances corrosive to metals. This places the onus firmly on you. It is well understood that equipment for use in more obvious hazardous locations, such as flour mills, coal mines, petrochemical plants, and fuel transfer facilities, needs to be certified intrinsically safe. However, hazardous locations also include places like water treatment plants, tunnels, and underground passageways, or any location where a buildup of naturally occurring flammable material, such as methane or dust, could occur. Most people are familiar with the definitions of ATEX zones. Put simply, Zone 0 means an explosive atmosphere is very likely, and Zone 2 means it is unlikely, with Zone 1 being the grey area in between. It is easy enough to identify from its markings whether a particular piece of equipment is suitable for a particular zone, IECEx for Zone 0, XIB for Zone 1, and EXIC for Zone 2. However, what is not so obvious is identifying which locations in your plant are in which zones. As if the issue of zones wasn't enough, there is also the consideration of which gases are likely to be encountered. For example, equipment marked as Group IIB must not be used in zones with hydrogen or acetylene likely to be present. Those gases would require at least Group IECEx certification. Then, there is also consideration of the equipment's temperature classification, which specifies the maximum surface temperature that could arise due to a fault. For example, equipment coded T2 could potentially get hot enough to ignite gasoline. However, an equipment coding of T4 is generally considered acceptable, being safe for all gases apart from carbon disulfide, which requires T6. Fortunately, Test Products International, TPI, believes it has greatly simplified things with the triple certification of its TPI 9000 and 85X Smart Vibration Analyzer. The TPI 9000 and 85X is Group IECEx/ATEX certified for Zone 0 with North American approval for Class 1, Division 1, and is hence certified for use in any hazardous locations, with any gas groups, anyway air in the world. The TPI 9085EX features on-meter analysis for the detection of machinery faults, such as unbalance, misalignment, looseness, and bearing wear. With full-color OLED display and Bluetooth communications, and zoomable on-screen vibration frequency plots with cursor readout. It can store lists, routes, of up to 1,000 machines, each with up to 10 measurement points, with full waveform and frequency spectrum, FFT, capture. Uniquely, the TPI 9085EX delivers high-level functionality and capability, including instantaneous bearing temperature measurement, all at very low cost. The included free-to-use VibTrend PC-based trending and reporting software features high-end benefits, such as automatic email notification of alarms and report generation, to implement a full condition-based maintenance strategy. Routes and readings can easily be transferred to Slash from the TPI 9085EX via Bluetooth using a smartphone or tablet running the free TPI Bridge app. This allows service personnel to be sent routes and return readings no matter where they are in the world.